Hello, my name is Vinay Viswanathan, and for my 15112 term project, I made a stock analyzer tool. So, in this program, you input a stock symbol, for example, Microsoft MSFT, and the computer runs Monte Carlo simulations to predict the price based on a random walk, which is a formula which uses randomness based on normal distribution and analyzes various different scenarios for future market situations. So in reality, the program runs a default of 1,000 trials for each Monte Carlo simulation. However, the runtime is very long, so for this demonstration, I reduced it to 10 just to show. So for example, I will input the stock of Microsoft, and then I can do analytics and see a graph with the previous prices as well as the predicted future price, which will be the newest price on the chart. For gaining historical prices and the metrics to predict the future price, I use extensive web scraping, mostly based on in URL lib2, which is the default library in Python. Because it's not as neat as, for example, ScrapeEye, it required a lot more hardcore analysis of data and text. So for example, this is a stock analysis for the Microsoft stock, and because the amount of simulations with Monte Carlo is so low for the demonstration, the last price, which is when the X value is 30, is clearly a bit higher than you'd normally expect. But usually when you run around 1,000 trials, it becomes a pretty accurate and pretty reliable metric. So another component of the project is the portfolio tool, where you can put in stocks and see the output. So with the portfolio tool, it displays the metrics which I use, which is volatility, the current price, and the predicted price, and you can toggle through the stocks and see which and see the data for every stock within the portfolio. One thing which I began working on but was not able to complete was where you'd be able to save it onto a text file on your local computer. So when you restart it, you could both calculate profit based off the price change from the current price to the previous price, and you'd be able to save your default portfolio values. So that is my 15112 term project.